So hello guys, welcome back to my channel MD Learnings, and I hope everyone is well. Today in this video I am going to tell you about Google Translate. So you guys are aware what is Google Translate? It is an online platform where you can translate one language to other language, and it is using different types, like you can convert the image, handwriting, or uh, letter or sentence into the other language, and using different documents you can convert to the other language. So I will show you how to use it, and what are the different forms Google Translate will accept for language translation. So let's see. So first thing, as you can see my screen, first we have to go to the website. So you can type in the browser directly Google Translate. Otherwise you can go to the Google apps, and here you can see in the down below, just scroll it, you can see Translate. So this is Google Translate. So just click on this, and here comes the screen. Here you can see in the left side we have the different Google Translate, what about Google Translate, and in this we have different options like text, documents, and website. So first one is text. So what is text? So using text you can type. Here we have option of detect language. So I am going to translate one language to another using text. I will type some sentence here, and it will Google Translate will convert it into another language. So which language I want to convert? So I have to select. Here you can see the right side, you have different languages. Just click on this and you can see here so many languages. So Google Translate can translate even more than 100 languages, okay, online. So you can use it. So I have so many languages here, whether you can see here languages like Indian languages like Bengali, Bhojpuri, Hindi, and Malayalam, Telugu, Tamil. So so many languages are there. Marathi. So you can translate the one language to your native language also. So I will select one, in which language I want to convert. I want to convert in Hindi. So I will select Hindi, and here you can select. You can just type whatever you want to translate. Otherwise, you can select the language which you are going to translate. So I can select English. Otherwise, I can select detect language. So what Google will do? Google Translate will automatically detect the language which you are going to type, and it will translate that language into the language which you have selected. So I will just type something. So what is meaning of online learning? Okay, you can see. Sorry, yeah. So you can just type here, and you can see as I have written what is meaning of online learning, and you can see the right side Google Translate within a span of second, okay, it has translated this English language into the language which I have selected, that is Hindi. Online सीखने का क्या अर्थ है? Okay, so you can translate using text also, okay, as I have showed you. And otherwise, if you have any document with you, if you have any document, PDF document or Word document, so you can translate that document into one language and another language. And how, I will show you. Here you can see I have option of documents, so just click on it. You can see in this document, you can see you can upload the document from your system, okay, from your PC. You can upload the document, and you can convert it into the one language to other language. So what I will do, I will first select the language in which I want to convert. So I will select the Hindi, okay, because it is a common maybe you can translate English to Hindi, and I will select the document which I want to convert. So I have a sample document which I will show you how to convert it. So just click on browse computer, and I have saved it in my desktop. So here I will type sample, okay. I have in my desktop, I have saved it as a sample. So just select it and click open. So once I have uploaded, just what you have to do, I will show you the sample first, what I have saved. Okay, this is a sample file. this is a sample file. Okay, I have this sample file which is written in English, and this I'm going to convert into other language, and I will show you how it looks. So I will close this first. Now you can see in the right side you have an option of translate. So once the document is uploaded, just what you have to do, you have to just click on translate. So just click on translate, and once it is done, you will get the option of download translation. So just click on it. Once you will click on that download translation, files will be downloaded. Okay, so just open it and you can see the conversion. Here you can see what was my sample file. It was this. Okay, I will show you my sample file which I was having. Okay, so yeah, this is my sample file. This is my sample file, and this is the file what Google has translated. This is the Google done by Google Translate, and this was in English, and once I have uploaded, it is converted into the other language which I have selected is Hindi. So this is how you can translate any document using Google Translate. Okay, and one more option we have, which is the third option we call, you can see here in the right side. Okay, website. So click on this. So what this will do, if you have a link of any website, if you have any website which is in other language, and if you want to convert that website into a other language, if you want to see that website in other language, so you can do this. So what I will do, I will show you how. So here you can see detect language. Automatically I have selected Google will detect the language in which the website is written. Okay, so I will show you sample. So what you have to do, you have to just paste the link of that website and just you have to translate it. So I will show you. Here you can see I have a website. I have opened a Wikipedia which is in Dutch language, and here you can see it is mentioned, everything is written in Dutch language. So what I will do, just you have to copy the website link, go to the Google Translate, and here you have to paste the URL of that website. So I have pasted. Once it is done, just click on the right arrow and Google will translate it into the language which you have selected. Okay, so you can see before the language was Dutch, and now after using Google Translate, the website is converted into the English language. All the data are written in English. So this is very interesting. You can convert any language, not any. It is more than 100 language what Google Translate can translate. And one more example for the same, I have one website, same. It is a Wikipedia. It is written in English. So I want to convert this into Hindi language. So what I will do, I will go to Google Translate. Here, just click on this and select the language Hindi. I will select it. And what I will do, you can, like, from Dutch also you can directly convert, or this English website, this also you can convert. So I will just convert, and you can see automatically the page will open. So here you can see the same website what I have converted in English, the same is converted into the other language, Hindi. So this is how we are using Google Translate. And if you can translate, like using images, if you have any images, you can upload and you can directly convert the languages. So it is very helpful nowadays. Google Translate, maximum person are using Google Translate, because whenever you are visiting a new city and the local languages or any are you are not familiar with, so you can translate the language into your native language. So this is how we are using Google Translate, and I hope you guys have learned this and you have understood this what I taught. Okay, so just keep learning, and guys, please do like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because see, if you are going to click the bell icon, my each and every notification of the video you will get, and you can just learn. Okay, so just keep learning for the time. That's all for the video. Bye.